So this chair is the very heavy chair. It's the Quantum 9000 series mesh chair, and I got it because currently we are using card chairs for sitting and it is very uncomfortable, as you would imagine. Let's see if it was worth the money, because it was a very expensive chair. But it says that it's rated for 8+ hours, which doing video stuff is definitely what you want. Oh boy. Styrofoam. Screws. That looks like the back of the chair. It has a mesh back. Just to make it easier. Wheels, those are important. Oh, goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. There's the base. Apparently it was supposed to have little feet on it, but those look like they fell off. Oh, and the arms of the chair. Very nice rotating arms. Yeah, let me get this box out of the way. Oh my goodness, is that heavy? All right, so let's get this. All right, so there's the chair. I don't know why this tape is blue and the other tape was clear. That's kind of weird. All right, so let's do the wheels real quick. And we'll see if that was a bad idea later on. It's way too many wrappings. Let's wrap every single little thing. It's like most chairs, usually you just kind of stick them in there. Oh, there's actually a little ring in there too. Apparently that stops them from coming out. So if you put that up, it makes it easier. Good to know, now that I'm done. Okay, so this goes down like that. They have it on a box. Put it on a box. Well, I don't have a box. G2 is the little one, so that one goes closest to the center. Okay, now for the tricky part. How to get the other arm on. Now that we have one arm on. Or you just put it on. Now we'll put this arm on. We'll see if it was actually easier or not. My guess is probably not. This is probably why you put it on upside down. It would definitely be easier if you did what they have in the pictures, where it's the button, or you set it upside down on a box. Okay, so next part is going to be the back of the chair, which looks like it has 4 screws, which are probably going to be equally as fun to put on. Which according to the picture, it also recommends you do it upside down. Or it's showing you how to do it upside down maybe. But that just kind of slides in like that. So we're going to do the outside ones first. And then we'll get... And there you have it, the chair with styrofoam everywhere, because it gets everywhere. It has adjustable back, which I probably won't be able to actually show. But then it has adjustable butt. So you can go like that. The adjustable up and down, which, yeah, that ain't gonna happen. And the arms go up, and side to side. Just to keep yourself entertained. Oh, I should definitely take all that off. That is quite the warning label. Yeah, let's do scissors. Jeez. There we go. Good enough. If you want to read them. I'm not going to. So this is the assembly of the chair that I will be using from now on. because it's better than a card chair. And it's quite the upgrade from what I had before with the worn down chair. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like and make sure you hit that subscribe button followed by the little bell icon so you can stay updated whenever we post new content. See you next time.